Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala.
Opo, sandali lang.
Once more with the English translation.
Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Opo, sandali lang.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Hello. Hello.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is,
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang
person. This Filipino sentence literally translates as, like I wish, speak with the person. But it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala. Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Opo, sandali lang.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Opo, sandali lang. Opo, sandali lang.
This Filipino sentence literally translates as, yes, a moment only. But it means, okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
namamahala. Namamahala.
A sales representative.
Isang sales representative. Isang sales representative.
The manager.
Manager. Manager.
Customer service.
Customer service. Customer service.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang isang sales representative.
Opo, sandali lang.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang manager.
Opo, sandali lang.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang customer service.
Opo, sandali lang.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang
Person. And how do you answer it?
Opo, sandali lang.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
isang sales representative. Isang sales representative.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang isang sales representative.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang isang sales representative.
Opo, sandali lang.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
Manager. Manager.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang manager.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang manager.
Opo, sandali lang.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
Customer service. Customer service.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang customer service.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang customer service.
Opo, sandali lang.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!